Hello, this is Abdul Rahman. Today I am going to show you a website, a page where you can earn money without waiting irritating steps or many long steps. You can just register or sign up here. This is a site called Golden Book. Here you can earn money by just sitting at your home and collect eggs. Here you can register first. You can give here an email. Give something your email and here this is a symbol. Like now I am seeing 100264. Here you can continue and give a password. Okay, just let it go. When you have registered yourself in this site Golden Birds, you can see in the upper bar the link golden-birds.biz. Now I have an email for you people. Here I come. This is the main page of Golden Bird. Here now I have. This is my nickname or my username. Here you can buy birds. There are about 5 birds: green, yellow, brown, blue, and red. Here the productivity of these birds are given. The green have 7 eggs per hour, yellow has 70 eggs per hour, and brown 370 eggs per hour, and blue has 1920 per hour, and red 9650 eggs per hour. So okay, come here. This is egg storehouse where you can store eggs. Once you have buy birds, the eggs are collected here. They can be collected here by just clicking this collect all. Here I come. You have successfully collected the eggs. Once you have collected the eggs, come to the sell eggs. Here, sell all. Now I have sell my eggs. Here this site gives us a bonus every 24 hours. I have now collected my bonus in 24 hours. This is the last 50 bonuses they have given to account holders. Swap. Now this is once you have silver coins in your withdrawal box, now you can put the sum here and swap the silver coins into buying in the silver coins for buying, from withdrawal to buying silver coins. So it can be put from 1000 to many more. Okay, now come to referrals competition. Here, the competition between the account holders is being held, where as much referrals you have, you are the winner. Games. Here you can play different games. Replenish account. In replenish account, you invest your money here. We have many in replenish account we have many more sources where we can replenish, where we can invest our money here. There is Cashford, WM, Perfect Money, OKPay, and many more. This is the main source for replenishment. Pyre. This is a bank account of Georgia, and it is easy to make one account. So here you can put the sum where you replenish money. So enter the sum here like 200. Click on replenish. A page will come where it has some problems. Here we come. I put a sum of 200 rubles. Here are different sources with which you can pay, or with which you can invest your money. Here are Visa, Swift banks, or many more. So come back to the Golden Burst order payoff. Today with order payoff there is, I think, some problem. It will be solved in some days. So here there is written in Russian language something else. Here you can add a Pyre wallet or a Yandex wallet. There is no fee for order payoff on Pyre account, but Yandex have some commission. So Pyre is better than Yandex in somehow. So you can add Yandex wallet also. So I have put my Pyre account. So now I have that much buying silvers. These are buying silvers and withdrawal silvers. Buying are those with which we can buy birds, and withdrawal are those with which we can which can be payoff, which can be withdrawal silvers are those which are paid off to your account, Yandex or Pyre. You can also swap your withdrawal silver coins to buying. Now here I come back to my profile. So I have discussed some things. Here is your referral link.